Okay, some fantastic news. I'm wrapping up testing MT5 EA of the iGRID going out to the MT5 group today. We did it. Yesterday we launched the CBot for the C-Trader, the iGRID CBot. And today for the MT4 MT5 program, I'm wrapping up testing on the MT5 EX5 file for the iGRID EA. So let's take a look at the NASDAQ this morning, waiting on that 7:30 U.S. Central Time, Chicago Globex time news. And news is out, and woo, they liked it, and they liked it, and they liked it, and they liked it, and the iGRID said stay long, so should you be shorting it? No. Okay, can I short it now? No, not in the news. Don't fade it. Just keep waiting. Just keep waiting. Okay, it's 8 o'clock in the morning Central Time, half hour to the U.S. Open. Can I short it? Nope. Nope. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. Okay, it's 8:30 U.S. Central Time. Can I sell it now? No. They're going to take it and push it a little bit, and they're going to oscillate it a bit. Oh, should I get short yet? No. No, just sit there on your hands. You are getting some lower pivot highs so far. Now you're getting an equal pivot high. Okay, it's past 9 in the morning. Can I short this? No, just wait, just wait. Oh, now you can short it. And whooshka. And down we go. So anyhow, that was some fun today. I thought that was a pretty easy day overall. And they're giving it back right now. Here's a live chart that we're looking at. This is my, right where I jump in and jump out. This is my bigger picture look at the markets. It's a bit back and forth in here. This is my bigger picture look. And I just use that to see, especially when I get a big move, okay, when is it safe to start working the short side? Okay, right in here. Now, if I've done a level sweep, which we did, then I got in and worked some of this upper area on my lower time frame chart. Actually, the time frames of these two charts are the same, but I have the iGRID backed off a bit here, not quite as responsive to price, and I have this very responsive. So I took some shots at this today. I started taking a shot in here, flipped to a buy, made a little bit, started selling it here, not a lot of follow through, let go, and then hit it again. And then when I got the big signal after this lower pivot high and rollover, so we had a high, we had a levels test, a fail. I was in there. That's when I started to get in heavy. And when we had that signal after this rollover, I added a bit. And then I was hitting some of these rotations today. And a matter of fact, I'm done. I just hit all targets for the most part. So anyhow, let's see, about $1,900 day on the 150K accounts and a little over 3-ish K on the 300K accounts. And all I do, I just trade M&Qs. So I put in liquidity and out, in and out. I trade dynamic positions. So once I got liquidity to the short side here and knew I had a runner and we pushed away from that range of price, then I was reintroducing. So I, take liquidity out, put some back in, take it out, put it back in, and so on. So I really like the 1-2 punch of using iGRID on the same time frame. This is one of our custom Renkos, fully adjustable. And then I look at the overall play out of price on a bigger picture look right there. And you can see that was that whole run up pre 7:30 Chicago U.S. Central Time news to the 8:30 U.S. Session Open, a bit of a push. They tried to retest the high, they failed, and there was a lot of buying absorption in here where they're trying to hang on to it. And I'm not talking about cumulative delta or any of that. I'm talking about institutionals coming on with zero DTE options buying. They buy certain baskets of stocks and they buy futures and they try to hang on to it, and there was just too much selling into that and they just turned it off. It seemed like right in here. That seemed like a short covering. Those that were short buying to cover bounce, maybe taking profits, and then sellers have been hitting it hard again, and we pretty much blew out almost the entire Newsday's price run, getting there. So 7:30, yeah, we're almost down to the pricing level, and we'll call it pretty darn close. So all the extension out of news has pretty much been given back. So that was a good day. Yeah, it was a little choppy at times, but hey, I just use a more responsive setting, and then I got quick scalpers that are they're just hitting these, these little extensions, extension up, they hit it. When it flips on them, they get out, they hit it. One of them's going to run. It just always works that way. Even in the garbage, out of the US Session Open, we had some extension. You hit it, you didn't get hurt. Hit the long side, thinking get a breakout. It didn't work. Right away, you flip again, short side, boom, you got your hit for the day. Could have been one and done. For those of you that are slinging around 3, 5s, and 7 full NQ contracts on your 150K account, or those slinging, 7s, 9s, 11s, 15s on your 300K accounts. I just don't do that. I just play them in queues and keep it light for the most part. When I'm trading live, when I'm trading evals, I get aggressive. I still don't use NQs. I just trade MNQs. When I do eval accounts, I work it really aggressively. So, but once I get to a live account, then I go for the future side stuff. I play really soft, go for very simplistic daily goals, and do it like a marathon. Just get in a nice pace day after day, get my couple of miles in, and call it a day per account. I let the amount of accounts pay me, not how much I make per account. So anyhow, CTrader CBOT special offer out. If you want to get access to the iGRID program on CTrader, my private Discord room that I run, all directional grid trading and prop firm centric. So the automated system, the EA is now, I'm getting ready to hand it out to the MT5 group. I'm just wrapping up some final testing. So anyhow, making a lot of progress. I'm building a very unique version of the iGRID that will be fully automated for NT8. Probably have that ready mid-March. But I'm still, if somebody wants to get access to that fully automated program, let me know now. I'll let you know what the details are in that program so you can get ready for what I'm going to be announcing in the weeks ahead. So there you have it. A good day. The Dow, the YM traded really nice. The ES had some good movements today, so all the indices did good. We have a lot of guys that are hitting gold pretty hard in our Discord room. Have some really good gold guys hitting the gold on the FX side, mainly FX side. So gold you can trade, oil, pound yen, euro US dollar Japanese yen, US CAD, US dollar CAD. You can trade the crypto listings. We got guys trading the stock listings that are offered now on many of the FX platforms. So we got you covered. MT4, MT5, CTrader, and NT8. The only program I have in NT8 is a fully automated program, an iGRID program, very involved, very in-depth, because the iGRID program that I'm building for NT8, we already have the iGRID indicator and all that running in custom Rankos, but I'm building a very targeted iGRID that will fit the NT8 platform, what you have to deal with talking to a centralized exchange when you're trail stopping a clustered stop for dynamic positions, because in our automated, we have the ability to add to positions that are running in our intended direction, just the opposite of that martingale crap. That, a lot of the grid EAs, 98% of them are martingale grids, and that's just not a smart way to trade long-term from an automated standpoint. So there you have it. If you have any questions, info@gridalgo.com. Let me post that up here real quick. So there you have it, info@gridalgo.com. We're all about targeted and highly efficient directional grid trading, working dynamic positions in alignment with momentum, not martingale, just the opposite, and working either static or dynamic positions depending how you set the parameters in the actual CBOT or EA settings. And I just did some videos yesterday on the logic of the iGRID, at least the first version. We're going to have multiple versions of the automated system, some more simplistic, some more advanced. So we're just getting warmed up. So there you have it. Info@gridalgo.com. You guys have a great day. Talk to y'all later.